May I please tell?
Yes.
My lord, I was arrested on 10/5/2022, my lord. Today is 2 years, 1 month and 15 days. We both in custody, my lord.
2 years, 1 month.
15 days. And there was earlier order. Who order? Your lord heard this matter earlier. And there was order on 9/1/2023, my lord.
Hmm.
Kindly see. Earlier, your lordship disposed of this bail petition. Just I have submitted my.
The other side is absent.
NCB, NCB.
NCB.
They filed their.
Kobe, try to find him. After some time, maybe in some other court.
Item 2.
No, so 439 bail, second application lordship. Petitioner was arrested on 7/3/2022.
Hmm.
Out of 9 witnesses, lordship, only one witness examined lordship,
Only one.
and he has implicated him. He is a seizure witness, lordship.
Lordship, but prolonged incarceration, that
Detention.
may be, lordship, that may be considered in case of Mohit Agarwal lordship. In that case, lordship, it was not the issue in that case, lordship.
Mohit Agarwal cases, the ratio laid down in Mohit Agarwal case is not applicable here.
That was not the main issue. Prolonged
Yes.
incarceration, that was not the issue, lordship. In that case, accused person was in custody for 1 year, 3 months, lordship. And lordship, in apex court, in so many cases, lordship, 1 year, 6 months, lordship, bail clear considered, lordship.
Hmm. Yes.
Lordship, I'm relying on in these 3 cases, lordship.
Paragraph number.
Lordship, in case of Muhammad Salman Hanif Sheikh versus State of Gujarat,
Hmm.
lordship, kindly have a look at page number 3, lordship.
Yes.
Punishable under that the petitioner seek enlargement on regular bail in the case of FIR being such and such registered such and such, punishable under section 8C, 21C and 22C and 29 of the NDPS Act. Commercial quantity was recovered from the petitioner. We have heard learned counsel for the parties and are of the considered opinion that the question like whether contraband recovered from the petitioner is of a commercial quantity or whether codeine phosphate is a manufactured drug or narcotic substance need not be go into at this stage. We are inclined to release the petitioner on bail only on the ground that he has spent about 2 years in custody and conclusion of trial will take some time. So this is the case of Muhammad Hanif. In our case, in my case, lordship, petitioner is in custody more than 2 years, lordship.
No, Mr. Majumdar, can we read this as a precedent?
Lordship,
Whether any law has been discussed here?
Lordship.
Hmm?
What was that part, Lordship? In case of Ravi Prakash,
Hmm.
it is there. And Lordship, another Nitish Adhikari, Lordship, may kindly have a look.
Hmm. Oh, this Nitin Adhikari, for how many
He was in custody for
months he was in
uh,
jail?
1 year, 7 months.
1 year.
Lordship, 1 year, 7 months.
Hmm. And the other is?
And the Lordship, other one is Shariful Islam.
Hmm.
In this case, Lordship, 1 year, 6 months. So more than 1.5 years, Honorable Apex could consider it. But in case of Mohit Agarwal, it is 1 year, 3 months, and that was not the main core issue, Lordship. In
Hmm.
that case, it was learned Honorable High Court of Allahabad High Court enlarged the petitioner bail on the ground of that Lordship. Not where it is.
Hmm.
Statement on the basis of the statement of the co-accused under section 67
Hmm.
and one and
But the
based on
thing
the
is that
Tufan
in the present case, from your possession, contraband substances were recovered.
no,
As
Lordship, it
stated
is
by
from
PW1.
from the vehicle, Lordship. It is from the vehicle
Vehicle is not coming.
Vehicle is?
and some other accused person was also there, Lordship,
Hmm.
in our case.
You were the owner of the vehicle,
Lordship, kindly have a look at her. He is the driver,
driver.
Lordship.
FIR is the page number?
Lordship, FIR at page number 10,
10.
Lordship, 10.
Hmm.
Started from page 10.
Hmm.
It is also not clear whether he is a driver or passenger. That is also not clear, Lordship. In the Azahar and in the Lordship arrest memo, forwarding letter, Lordship,
Hmm. Forwarding is that page number?
page number 16, NHR 3, Lordship.
So you and another person were in the vehicle.
Lordship. No, my lord, only one witness examined
Hmm. How many witnesses cited in the search sheet?
till
9
Lordship,
witnesses. 9 witnesses.
9.
9.
Hmm.
Lordship, last 6 months, not a single witness is on.
Mr. Locker, why no witnesses turned up for last 6 months? Have you gone to the record?
Lordships, this case, Lordship, CS file on 22, Lordship, but
CS file on
in the year 2022,
date
31/7/2022.
when the surge was framed?
Search frame on Lordship 28/9/2020.
2020. Page 27 of the bail petition, Lordship.
27.
Lordship.
Okay. Any other thing, Mr. Mazumdar?
Lordship. That is, prime main Lordship, other Lordship. Uh,
Yeah, heard Mr. L. Mazumdar, Lord Counsel for the accused, and Mr. Police Locker, Lord for the established. Argument concluded, order is accepted.
Item 3,
of like,
here the petitioner was arrested on 1/4/2021. He is more than 3 years behind the bar. Also, out of 8 witnesses,
Yes, madam, are you appearing for Mr. Kyle?
Lordship, my senior is on legs, code number 13.
Court number 13. Okay, let him come.
item 4,
May I please, your lordship, but I'm on interim bail, madam. On the last date, London TPS said he will verify certain things, madam.
So here I have found that one accused person, co-accused, Samsul Haq has implicated him, Lordship. He has stated, mentioned his name, Lordship.
By what means, I don't know, madam, that was for him to place it out. Madam, I have bought a land, madam. What is the implication? I don't know, madam. I have purchased the land by following all the due procedure. If your lordship will see that I am a businessman having a valid trade license from Annexure 1, page 40. So merely by saying that Samsul Haq has implicated me, madam, I don't know how much what he has stated.
What is the stage of investigation?
Evidences has been collected, some witnesses has been recorded,
Documents have been seized.
Lordship, sir.
Relevant documents have been
Yes.
seized.
Yes, madam, I have given all those, madam, also.
Not from him,
No,
Lordship, because
Mr. Lofer, do you think that custodial interrogation is necessary? Then why you were objecting on the other day or objected on the
On
other
last
day?
one, Lordship, I did not go through the entire CD, Lordship. So I did
That's
not
why
go
he
through-
short time.
That's why.
Hmm.
Kindly.
You heard Mr. Z. Kamar, Lord and Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. What is your name?
Yes, sorry.
Yes, sorry.
Yes, sorry.
Learned Counsel for the applicant and also heard Mr. T. S. Lawford, learned additional for the state trust. Prayer number 20. Mr. Kamar, learned Senior Counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant was granted the privilege of PRS bail by this court by order dated 3/4/2024. And thereafter the applicant had appeared before the IO and cooperated with the investigation. Further, Mr. Kamar submits that the applicant had purchased the plot of land following due process of law. And he is in no way involved with the offense alleged in the FIR and he will cooperate with the investigating agency and therefore it is contented to make the interim order that is submitted in the same terms and conditions. Whereas Mr. P. S. Lawford, learned additional previous summit has produced the case diary before this court and submits that the IO has examined some witnesses and also collected relevant documents and seized the same. And further, Mr. Lawford submits that the applicant had appeared before the IO and cooperating with the
No, sir,
investigating.
Lordship, I'm not submitting, Lordship, because he is not. He
His
is not
statement
appearing.
is there or not?
He is not appearing, Lordship. He hasn't appeared. As per the IO's report, Lordship.
No, no,
he-
I have gone there. Last time I put out, my lord, my statement is
Acha.
not necessary. It's not recorded. That can be recorded.
He had appeared before the IO, but his statement was not being recorded by the IO. Loper submitted, Mr. Loper submitted, he had not appeared before the IO. And his statement is not available in the case diary. Are you sure that he had appeared?
Yes,
before
my
the-
lord. Yeah, that's my instruction, my lord. That he has appeared. I have said they're not necessary. We'll call you when it will be required. Otherwise, my lord, with all the equipments for anticipatory bail, I'll definitely go for that.
However, in view of the, no, however, having gone through the. There said that, having heard the submission, the case.
I
date
called him to my
having-
chamber and had the discussion.
In view of the progress of investigation. And also in view of the submission of Mr. Kamar, learned senior counsel for the accused. As well as the learned additional PP. And also the stage of investigation. Custodial interrogation of the applicant seems to be not warranted here in this case and therefore the interim order dated 3/4/2024 is hereby made absolute in the same terms and conditions. Case is written.
Much obliged, my lord.
5 and 6, Lordship is from 6. No, 5, 6, that's it.
Same criteria.
Oh,
5 and 6, same, Lordship.
my lord, is here in item number 5, my lord. The case pertains to theft of dal, my lord.
Is
Now, my
that
lord,
second application?
yes, my lord, this is the second application. My lord, in fact, the
First
recovery,
application or first order is at page number?
my lord, the first order is at page number 44.
What is the ground for filing this second application?
My lord, the ground for filing the second application is that, my lord, the dal were recovered from the possession of one Ajijul Haq, which is at page number 27, the Caesar list. And my name is Ashikul Haq. So, my lord, in all probability, because of the confusion in name, the police have served me 41A notice. I'm willing to go and cooperate, my lord. 41A notice has been served.
Uh, seized articles on stolen articles were recovered from the possession of
Mohammad Ajijul, Ajijul. Ajijul, Ajijul Haq, page 27 is the seizure list. And my name is Ashikul, Asikul. And my 41A notice is at page number 17. I run a hardware business, my lord. I am a genuine businessman. My GST and income tax returns are also annexed at page 38.
GSTN.
Income tax return. And moreover, my lord, my 10-year-old minor son is suffering from acute ENT problem. I am advised to go for treatment at Vellore, Chennai. The the relevant medical report I have annexed at page number 35. My lord, all the arrested persons are enlarged on bail. And even few persons got anticipatory bail by your lordship's order, which is at page number 44. My lord, at this stage, what I humbly pray is that if your lordship grants anticipatory bail, my lord, he will go as and when called for, maybe every fortnight for a period of another 3 months or 4 months, or until filing of charge sheet with any such stringent condition, my lord, so that at least he can in the meantime get his son's treatment done also, my lord.
Whether you have submitted any medical document
Yes, my lord, page,
at the time of filing the first application?
no, first application, at the time of filing of the first application, these grounds were not, this ground was not there. So, my lord, these are my submissions, my lord.
Where is the medical document of your
Yes,
son?
my lord, page 35, if your lordship kindly comes, my lord. This is the type copy. The original your lordship will find at page 36. And there is a prescription at page 37.
Yes, Mr. Lockhart.
Lordship, here in this case, CD we have received, Lordship, and I have placed the CD, Lordship, and here that Asikul Haq and Azizul Haq, or Azizul Islam, both are two persons. The Asikul Haq is the main person, Lordship, who has who received the articles, Lordship, who has shifted it to another godown, Lordship. And the person who the mentioned he has got the bail, Lordship, that is Azizul Islam, Asikul Islam, Lordship. He is the employee of this person, Lordship. So he has been released on bail, Lordship. There is a IONOT also, which stated like this, that, Lordship, this is the Asikul Islam is the employee of Asikul Haq. So this is the Asikul Haq, Lordship, and the person another co-accused person who has implicated him, Lordship, and he has received the entire material lordship. And some of the, he asked them to come to him, he shifted it to another Godown lordship, everything lordship. That statement is there lordship.
My lord, if that be the case, my lord, then the investigation has substantially progressed. If they are having all these informations, my lord, then the investigation, then nothing remains, my lord. The IO has given a note.
In that case, also everyone will come to tomorrow, let's say after some day, that as investigation has substantially progressed, then he will get the bail. He should get the bail lordship.
Okay.
That is what I understand, my lord, because we cannot punish a man at
We
a
will see.
lordship. My lord, because my lord, these statement of a quick is your lordship, my lord knows, my lord, what is the value of that, my lord.
It is
That
failure
is there,
lordship,
but,
because lordship,
that,
during investigation, it
At
is
the stage of investigation, that is always considered.
Now, my lord, my only prayer is that, my lord, since the investigation has substantially progressed, that is what they have submitted, my lord, my entire implications and everything, my lord. So in that event, I am ready to cooperate. Every fortnight I will go till 6 months, my lord, I will go. So that aspect, if your lordship kindly takes into account, my lord.
We'll see. Yes, next item.
Item 6.
Next, Rajendra Nayak, his statement is also dear lordship. His implications is also dear lordship, and he is the person who planned the entire game lordship. That lordship will find out his
Rajendra,
Nayak. He used to deliver the fake SIM card. He used to talk as being the owner of the truck lordship like this lordship. He made the entire game lordship. Rajendra Nayak lordship.
May I please address? Lordship, the petitioner Rajendra Nayak in no way connected to this case, my lord. The police were visited several times in our house without giving a notice of 41 AM, my lord. My lord, then after, my lord, we don't know who is the owner of the vehicle. But our name is not in the FIR, my lord. When you see the FIR, my lord, there is no mention in our name. There is a mention in name, one is Ahed Ali and the owner of the truck, my lord. Well, I am no way connected of this case, my lord. I appeared before the IO, my lord, to give a statement, my lord. So, my lord.
okay. We'll see the case ID. We'll pass the order in both the cases.
Number 7 for others.
Twenty-seven seats of statement of issues of final fixes. 27 seats.
Lordship, in this case, as per my information, evidence of all the PW has been completed. Next, it speaks for recording statement of the accused.
All the witnesses completed.
Completed only, Kitu,
27 seats.
27/6/24, it speaks for recording statement of accused.
My
Is
lord,
it correct,
the
sir?
scissor witness were not examined, my lord. Although witness, 7 witnesses have been examined, but scissor witness were not appeared. So their statements are not recorded. They are not examined. So case is a clear case.
No, Mr. Sururi, we are dealing with a bail, dealing with a application for bail.
So my lord, my submission, my lord, your lord,
Whether Caesar witnesses are examined or not examined, we are not supposed to.
this is right, my lord. So the case is a clear case of acquittal, my lord. And on 9/1/20.
That it is a clear case of acquittal or conviction that will be looked after by the trial court,
This is
not
right.
by this court.
This is right, my lord. So
Then-
my submission, my lord, on 9/1/2023,
Hmm.
your lordship passed or directly expired at trial, my lord. So today is 2 years, 1 month, 15 days have been in custody.
As submitted by him, a examination of witness completed.
Completed. So my lord, my submission, my lord, as scissor witness is not examined.
Hmm.
So the acquittal or conviction, it will be done by the trial court. But as per section 37, my lord,
Hmm.
the section 37 embargo, whether when the case is a clear case of acquittal, if we presume that, then section 37 may be applicable or not in this case. So 2 years, 1 month and 15 days have been custody. So on that footing, my lord, I may be enlarged on bail. And there are some rulings I would like to submit, my lord.
No,
Okay.
at the fag end of trial.
Sorry, my lord.
At the fag end of trial, you have to be granted bail.
No, my lord, bail was not granted, still I am in custody.
No, no,
What is asking?
your submission is that
Yes.
you have to be granted bail.
Yes, my lord, I'm submission, my submission is that bail may be granted on that footing, that.
Okay, Mr. Kayal,
Lordship,
you produce the statement of the witnesses?
Lordship, next date is fixed on 27/6, day after tomorrow. Lordship.
Yes,
For SD.
on
If,
Friday, you produce the statement of the witnesses, we'll see.
Okay,
Uh,
now if the statement of the accused is recorded, then it will be fixed for a judgment only, Lordship.
no, statement of witnesses, not
Sir,
accused.
I understand, Lordship, correct. I'll try to,
Then we'll also call for the up-to-date status report.
I think that will be better, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Soduri, learned counsel for the accused, and Mr. Kyle, learned additional, learned standing counsel for the NCB. Mr. Kyle, at the time of hearing, apprised this court that examination of witnesses have already been completed by the learned trial court, and next that is fixed on 27 for examination of the accused persons under section 313 CRPC. In view of the submission of Mr. Kyle, learned counsel, learned standing counsel for the NCB, it is provided that a registrar call for up-to-date status report along with the statement of the witnesses, fixing the matter on Friday. Much.
God bless.
Item 3. Lordship, in this case, we file our objection, but it was made defective because there is some clause has been added by the registry regarding the phone numbers and others. That's why, Lordship, that has been returned to us. Lordship, we are filing tomorrow, Lordship.
Tomorrow,
Lordship.
then day after tomorrow.
Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
Is it?
Is it Ahmed, learned counsel for the accused, and Mr. Justice Kyle, learned standing counsel for the NCB. Mr. Kyle, learned standing counsel for the NCB, applies this court that you will be filing objection by tomorrow. And accordingly, it is provided that recessal is conducted on Friday.
Lordship.
Lordship, that is the last vote, Lordship.
Hmm.
Can it be on 27, Lordship? Because-
27?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, 27. You furnish a copy well in advance, so
Yeah, tomorrow we'll furnish the copy.
Sorry.